The Oppo A6 Pro is official, and it's one tough smartphone. Rated for IP66, IP68, and IP69, it can handle 8,000 kPa of hot water pressure, can soak in 1.5 meters of water for half an hour, and can be used with wet or oily hands. Oppo says that the A6 Pro can resist a drop of 2.5 meters, continuous drops from 1.5 meters, and can even last up to 1,830 times if dropped from half a meter. This rigidity is achieved by a combination of aviation-grade aluminum in the frame and the crystal shield glass up front, which has a drop resistance of 160% over the previous generation. The Oppo A6 Pro, with a tall 6.57-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, FHD Plus resolution, up to 1400 nits of peak brightness, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and up to 2160Hz PWM dimming. Under the hood, it is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, which is paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. A massive 7,000 mAh battery pack powers this model, which supports 80 watts wired fast charging. Oppo says the battery will be at 80% strength after 1,830 charging cycles. It can charge at -20°C and can keep fast charging going in between 0°C and 43°C. Despite this large capacity, the Oppo A6 Pro measures just 7.96 millimeters thin and weighs 190 grams. You get a glass rear panel, along with a metallic frame and MediaTek 810H military durability certification. Similar to flagship Android phones, the smartphone also arrives with an IP66, IP68, IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. Oppo's new Shanghai RF antenna technology is a unique feature that claims to improve signal reception and low-frequency transmission, which could be a significant benefit in areas with poor network coverage. For OpShox, the rear has a 50-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual camera setup, while the front houses a 16-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calls. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, dual SIM support, and an IR blaster. Oppo announced the A6 Pro in multiple color options, namely black jade, gold, and blue. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.